You know me notice with Uno, as I'm gonna say to speak my mind. You know when me notice with Uno speak my mind and cares me say social media and over here so comment everybody have all right. You know me notice with Uno too hypocritical out here now. If Uno call it cuss with Donna, and that's why I make sure so the live them and now go make it delete. Me entitled to feel how I feel, right? I entitled to feel how I feel. I never expect nobody for coming or nothing with me and Ashanti. Donna did a live. And when Donna did a live, I said, I come out and I say what I said. I never feel pleased about it. Me never feel pleased about it. Me never feel pleased. Okay. Me never have no hard feelings. Me still not have no hard feelings. But you see people like Uno most of who cuss Donna upon the internet because of that to not drama for go. Most of who cuss Donna upon the internet is because of Uno. People like you speak my mind now. Me see you have a caption over there with you and some of your little dirty nasty lick out batty wall followers them. You don't get me bringer. Don't get me bringer. How dare you fear come talk about say, oh, boots up 13. Let me tell you something. Uno are the one we are hypocrite because I say Uno always Donna never wrong for Uno. A long time I come out here when Donna wrong, me say Donna wrong. When Donna right, Donna right. But me I go do this, me I go try to do this once and for all. Me I go ask Uno, leave me alone. Because I say, me I know Jennifer. Me no all who you texted pan, you have a tendency, you now put me realize I suck out everybody blood, you realize you can jump on for 13 back? No. 13 a week. Now me want to know which part pan God and everybody know when 13 a cuss people. Which part pan God, which part me cuss Donna. And if me even cuss Donna, me talk, me dissect Donna live and say what Donna say. Me feel away because me have thrombosis, me have health problem. Me not take up the 40-year part, me not take up that part. Then me feel away because me tell big crutches Ashanti if we can talk about the woman mother. Me put up the woman mother, the woman where say me put up the picture. So me feel away. No. This thing come with, let me tell you something, man. You don't get me bring out your cast. We don't think me I go me now go no way. Me don't talk about Donna, me still feel the same. If me did me not lose one respect, me always tell you no. Me now go take up Donna and go praise Donna. She's a black queen doing a lot of good. She do a lot of good. Me cheer on Donna. Me are one of them we stand up and fight on social, which she never beg me on. On social media, tell me get help from our followers them. But that not say me I go sit down. Help should never be feel away. Me not say because me not go say what she say. She say what she say. Me say what me say. Now you Mr. Speak my mind. You should have been a man. You know always see what we talk about, but before you come, me I go back. You and your little dirty follower, especially Tory Moore. Tory Moore go scuba dive down in a dog bumbo and suck it out. Which part of my life last night, big stinking dirty nasty underprivileged lick out batty suck out dog pussy bite and spit out Tory Moore. Speak my mind and him dirty nasty stinking underprivileged followers them. Which part on that live you could have seen me want cuss Donna? Where the blood clot me want cuss Donna for? Me name Donna Whitefall, Donna na uno lega half of me pussy tongue, lega half fight blood clot, me put me pussy pan retirement. Uno go suck out to no mama underprivileged dirty blood clot and leave me alone. Allow me. Allow me speak my mind here, your dirty blood clot followers them. Allow me notice you have a tendency for whole lamp a woman pussy tongue out here like skipping rope. Allow me. But who boots me up? You're bright. You're bright and out to order. Me no stay like Uno. Cause when Donna do not Uno find out and shave round it, miss enough blood clot like the Uno. And it goes to me I go address you speak my mind because back to back, me never say head teacher key, me I go address head teacher key apart. Every blood clotting, nobody not supposed to talk. No. When all done, no worry. When all done, no worry. Me come out and me talk and I wait pan big pussy shanty. I wanna go man uno. Uno only know I look certain people, so before you come speak my mind, no come take no set for me, come another one. Uno nah get me out here. I dead before blood clot this and if you no feel like seminar in a no argument with Donna, when me say already, I mean not take it back and I go try pin up the life. That means to see as I no go the life, I go stay there. Me not take it down. Me said what I said already. If Donna wasn't referring to me, so be it. I take it up because my health is not good. Only Donna one can talk pan right here, so fear word can block. Why? Only Donna one never wrong here. Why? I want to know take up on dirty blood clad people them and come tell lie for me. Who me want cuss Donna for? For what? Me still have the same feelings. I better that for sure you say me I'm not a blood clad hypocrite. Because I could have doubt and I kid me teeth. Me still have the same bumbo clad feelings I me have towards that sister. Me still have the same feeling because no for no one to see you done a content and I go off a blood clot people are just full on a pocket. If God could have seen on a heart. That's why I like me say big up entertainment boss. The first somebody will call me and tell me how I don't will text me and tell me how them feel. Big up. Big up social social media newsroom. We write and say how them feel, how she feel. Over here so you stay right there so. But me speak your mind, she feel like say she choose where to talk and me say you suck out everybody blood. The funny thing is anyhow so me know say you're hypocrite. I bet you say if I did Lorraine the something I me come out and clap it up on Lorraine, clap it up on Gracie clap, you wouldn't have a problem with it. You wouldn't say who boots me up. So why when it touch Donna who boots me up? You're bright. You're bright. Fix up your blood clot caption. That me I tell you for do. Fix up your bumbo clot caption. Coming on a time for you. Me have time for Ashanti. And for you, Miss Head Teacher K, since you come respectful, me I go come respectful to you. You talk on your platform. You're not supposed to walk me when me come out. Me sure know so you're supposed to hear me say my black Ashanti tree thinking 60. Me never know say Ashanti did a cuss me. But me pick me and I go on. When it makes so good mat like that was when me come out. Because me never want to go down the road there with him. I hope you understand that. I hope you understand that here. But in the meantime, you're a hypocrite too, because when Ashanti did come out today, you did say, oh, Ashanti love go up and meet woman and even though who we might have with difference out here, we still have the whole, we still have the same thinking about him. So how comes now your question about that? You do the same thing when me do to K, but as you come respectful, may I go respectfully, may I go leave you upon that. But I speak my mind with him dirty liars stinking followers them. Him out order. I one of the one of the worst things somebody can do to me. I take my right and give my wrong. That's one of the worst things somebody can do to me. I go and let them want try shut me up. Nobody now call me down because I never disrespect Donna. I dissect Donna life like how Donna come out and Donna talk about health, and I tell Donna don't call nobody big because no small girl not out here. The whole of we in the SpongeBob, the whole of we are SpongeBob, the whole of we in the SpongeBob crew. Well, if you know what I said Donna small size she wear, she's small, it's okay. One thing never come out here, and I'm not going to say sorry. You know why I'm not going to take down the life? I'm not going to lead because I don't want to tell no lie for me a couple of years to come. Me a fall person, when time I come and me I rub me gone deep and nasty and me gone nasty. Everybody knows that me have a rough voice, plus me did just wake and I go to my bed after 3. So when I wake up and I see it, maybe at the tone of voice, everybody knows that I'm out loud. Me never disrespect Donna. Donna not choke, Donna have a platform, Donna know how to reach out to me. Donna know how to reach out to me. So if somebody did happen, Donna would have come out and say Kingston 13 disrespect. I mean no disrespect the woman, the queen. Me even say that. And it's true. When Donna say how me feel, me know say in general she talk, but me feel offended. When you throw your word and people feel offended, so be it. I feel that's my feelings, and that's where it does sit well with me. I never come out because I know in general she never come definitely. She never come definitely to attack me, but you throw a word and I feel offended, and I came out and I dissect it, and that's literally state. I still have the card to say it was nothing for me. If I said that I may lose respect for you, I still have that respect. Where the bumbo pussy blood clot to no go suck out to no mama will tear up my body whole and goon, you know. Uno no play with me, I'm not talk, hear me attack, speak my mind now and in blood clot liar minions. Me find out say you have a tendency to look woman for take set pan because we have seen it here. Me find out say you like to look woman to take set pan in the name of Donna. No fuck your bumbo clot with me, man. Don't do it. Don't blood clot, do it. Don't you dare. Cause at that to no go you see at the dear Curly says something, you know. You see uno ka all what you do. You speak my blood clot, man. You see I don't wanna talk to if she hear my live last night. Me say God I go give you a blood clot beating. And me did one cuss Donna. Me have somebody will ever speak out when me have something to speak. And you are going to have on your caption who boots me up. How dear blood clot you. When me have somebody will come out here and tell Donna say Donna too enough. Donna wrong. When Donna hear that, me go over Donna platform go tell Donna that per phone. How much thousand people hear it? You're too enough. But Uno is a blood clot hypocrite. Every time when Donna do something, in my case, Uno go on like say only Donna only Donna one right, only Donna one have feelings. Me no somebody too. Well, if Uno call it curse, so be it. Cause I will not remove my life. Uno too unjust out here. And notice you have a tendency to look woman for take set pant. We have seen it out here. But I am not the one. I am not. I will man up to your blood clot. Me will man up to your speak my mind. You're rude. Yeah, your people them. Blessings, Queen. I will man up to you. You fuck rude about who boots me up. I don't even think I spent 15 minutes on the live this morning. Can I just come out and say what I say and go in? I say me a wait pan big pussy Ashanti for come out. Then comes blood clot you. What kind of destruction is you? What kind of stumbling back you coming on my way? Where you come from? What the blood clot you come for? We flinging at the pot with Ashanti. Don't fuck yourself on me. You're not going to lucky like Tina. When I say, you know what? Tina, enough for your nasty blood clot. Stay over there, so. You're too enough. You're too blood clot enough. Yeah, man. Be we a bumbo clot woman as be soldier and go like a man. You're too blood clot enough. Yeah, you're liar, blood clot, follower, supporter, like Tory Moore. Uno move, uno dirty blood clot type, uno things. I saw uno do. You take me in an argument with. At this moment, I don't ever care. At this moment, I'm not looking over Donna. Anyone who come for me, I'm going to tear up on a blood clot out here. Uno too enough. Because that's how uno go. Uno go for me curse that woman. I saw uno do all the while. Uno do it. See Curly be a one. Curly come out and talk as long as no still text it. Just you want fresh blood, but for me you not get. You would did have a blood clot problem if Laurie and Gracie or anybody are doing. You would not cheer me on. You would have said somebody boots me up. You would did blood clot have a problem. You wouldn't have a problem in a speak my mind. You and your dirty suck hood suck lick that cocky Tory Moore. Uno did have a problem. If I did somebody else say something and me feel offended. That's why I'm telling us I stay alone. I don't want a mama bumbo clot body like me out here. Because if you no care, stand up for the blood clot. One, stand up for peace and equal right. You not too hypocritical out here. And the worst thing you can do, I want to take my blood clot rights and give me wrong. And the worst thing, you notice me not address the 40 years, me not address the how much years, cause I know me coming in there foreign 40 years, and I know me have me give him about 3. I'm in that line of bank down Jamaica, so me not address the party. Then I come out here and call stagnant, me no look, but the health part me feel offended. And so what you gonna do? You gonna call me down for me to feel offended? So if somebody else, if Lorraine or Gracie are doing, or even the same suck cocky Ashanti did say something and me run out, you wouldn't have a blood clot problem with it. You would come out with a caption, you would have a different caption. You would have a different caption. Don't play with me, speak my mind. In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Ghost, don't blood clot play with me. Don't you try do it. Me no bully people, so me no want a blood clot body bully me. Don't do it. Cause if you do it, in the dick way for things that me go come out and not in no argument with Donna. And no uno me a come from. Uno sound a prepare. Me not look like how Curly look. Me not look like how the others look. Me a look right to spot me a look. Any bumbo clot body come for me. Well, me not take up the mental health part because the whole, that me say the whole of it, because me hear Donna come on live and say she depressed. And the whole of we mad out here. So that part, me don't even, you notice me don't even address the part there? Me don't even address the part there. Me address the health part. Which I feel like I should. I never disrespect Donna. Everybody knows me have a big old loud coarse mouth. Plus me did just wake up and wash my face. Me don't even drink my coffee yet. And me say me 10 cats. Me say me I wait for big crutches. Then come this big blood clot stumbling block speak my mind. Then come this big stumbling block speak my mind. Because when speak my mind feel like say man him followers. Me I go get ignorant. No, me not get ignorant. I no argument with Donna. Donna say what she say. She a one big man. Me say what me say. Me a one big man. Me no long cocky argument. But if you feel like say you want to come in, me all you want Ashanti. Trust me, me can't angle no. Trust me, me can't blood clot angle no. Don't fuck your bumbo clot with me. Walk far from me. Uno so blood clot disrespectful. I don't even know if I'm alive because of the foot. Hey, you see the way I don't go over. If I go over your life, I would hey, not play with me. Don't play with me. Do not fuck your bumbo clot with me. You see, same like how your blood clot wish big pussy Ashanti well. You see, same like how you wish big dunder hole Ashanti well speak my mind. When you say your name Garfield Anderson, wish me blood clot well too. Don't play with me. You see, same like how you don't want to attend with Ashanti, don't want to attend with me. Don't blood clot do it. Cause you can't put me up on your page because I done blood clot ugly already. You don't have nothing to tell me. You don't have nothing to tell me. You and your suck pussy followers them. Don't blood clot play with me. Uno two Andres and just out here. Uno two enough. Anyhow, I did somebody else. I'ma come out here and talk. You wouldn't have that caption. But because I say, because you say it's Donna. And I came out and I feel how I feel. I listen, but you come out now like you want to make a big things out of this to get content. Me not in an argument with Donna, me don't talk. And you, since you want it, we will go down there. Since you want to go down Dirty Girl Road, we will go down there. But me can tell you, you're not going to get an easy street. You're not going to get an easy street like where you get with Jennifer them and the rest. We are going to go down there. We're going down there. Why on earth can people express themselves and say how them feel when it touched Donna? Why on earth? Why on earth? How dare you who boots me up? How dare you? Even the illiterate, I was listening to a live this morning. And I expect, even if other person that is sister, I want the person listen me and listen to the platform holder. And you see sometimes, that's why I tell her, say, listen, and you with me, listen to the platform holder. Because me I said, at the platform holder, they me I said, fine, me I said for the platform holder there. And when the platform holder, me know what I mean. Him say, what make the individual they come out? And when the person listen to the live, the person say, yes, now them understand why she come out. That person understand whether she was talking to me, yes or not. And I say me hear Donna talk about 40 years. Me come out about the health part. Because see me health not good. The health stone like me. Me come out, me no disrespect Donna, me no cuss Donna, me and me make sure I left the live there. Cause one of the time I think the live delete. But now me did for refresh my page. Now this big blood clot, long time, big blood clot man. And him dirty followers them. Everybody talking so me no come out for call on nobody. Me see over here so, me see and me hear entertainment but everybody have them right. It was okay. everybody supposed to talk and everybody feel how them feel. But how big blood clot crutches speak my mind, and him dirty liar blood clot followers them say me. Last night when I do my life, what the bumbo call me the rank us Donna from? Tory more contact. Tory more come blood clot talk. Come and talk. Uno too disrespectful fucking out here, uno too enough. And uno make people cuss the woman because if me never have my blood clot right head for my body, you know. And that only did I lead up for. They say, alright, uno gang up on me. But no, she not an argument with her. Because by right, she never did call me name. She throw her word and me take it up. And she no disrespect me. She no come out and say Kingston 13. So it would have been unfair. But you say, uno, you blood clot off. As me tell you, me feel offended over Kia life, but because Kia come respectfully. And me address Kia and put Kia right there, so. But you speak my mind. Me notice your style. And even people say it to me. You have a tendency, you like fresh blood, and you feel like me, I gonna be the fresh skate meat. Don't do it. Don't do it, baby, because it's not. Me now go easy like the Jennifer and the rest. Don't do it. We are gonna go down Emmanuel Road, take a blood clot page out a big pussy Ashanti book. We are gonna go down there. Me now gonna be a easy take down. No, me not going to the girl as easy. Me not going to go to the girl as easy. I will not. Me not go to the girl as easy. Yeah, man. Man, you must be. Stop being this jelly back sissy, man. For your buck or two, because people, man, you're not. I notice a lot of you feel trouble, you know. You're not. It does for me, you don't even worth it because you're not getting the views. You're not getting the views, speak my mind. So for all me, it's just wasting blood clot time. Yeah, it's just wasting time. Me give what you give. You see how the rest of them, and me give them back them respect. But when you go say, oh, boots me up. Don't do man talk about mix up. Where your man mix up. Yes, a man mix up. Oh, boots me up. Where that come from? You ever know if nobody boots me up? Where that come from? Where that come from? That me want to ask you. Where that come from? You see how the devil can come in my way. Distraction, man, like you know, I think I need to go in some serious prayer for you, you know. Because I sit down, you know, I wait for Miss Blood Clot chant if it come out, you know, for me clap it, you know. Where you come from? Who send call you? Who send call you? You can't me not listen to your life. Your caption alone, me say, turn me off. And Tory more coming. Why you never leave me deal? What not distract me for? Allow me, no, man. Allow me. May I deal with nasty stinking Ashanti. That's some thing that till can me extend it to no people. Cause you say true, Miss D come out this morning. May I get Ashanti one more week. May I ride blood clot. All them you sit me and I shouldn't even address you, speak my mind. Ashanti, I want me know why you. But if you want to go down there, if you want to have a clash, we will give it to you. Where you coming on my way for? Where you coming on my way for? Why you always look woman? But me are the wrong one. Him never have a problem with the midget yet. Him not know what the midget say. Him not doing no business, but him ready for come. Me are the wrong one. Don't you dare speak my mind. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Me not Jennifer and the rest. You're too out of order. You're too out of order. Everybody I got talk, everybody. You're too enough. You're too enough. You're a man or you're a man too. Yawa. Well, the same way I'm afraid I'm better afraid of me because it's not an easy street. I will tear up my body and give them. I will come out here and I will send them with enough figure, you know. Me not have nothing about me, you know. Me not have nothing about me. Wanna leave me alone. Me set up where you hear the man with him caption who boots me up and him dirty so could follow them over there. And the wickedest thing, he come out here fight back and he not get no support. Me don't know why I do it for cause it don't work. To speak my mind now get no big views. Can you think the real plank of them don't see and know sound unjust? The real plank of them know when Miss D wrong. Anytime at all, them find way to figure around it. Wrong. You know to say a fresh blood the man I look for suck. He suck out for Lorraine, he suck out for Michelle, he suck for every blood clot body. Now he ready for suck for me. Now he ready for hold and part for me pussy tongue. Leave it alone, sir. Put my pussy in retirement. Don't fuck your bumbo pussy blood clot with me and come off ya. Go look on the man blood clot caption. Who boots up Kingston? Don't fuck up. Hey, cut take down your nasty. Hey, look how nasty come. Hey, take off your nasty underprivileged blood clot off of my page. My name blood clot upon it. And then people in the comments are drag me left, right, and blood. Hey! Uno go suck. Come off it. Take down your comment and wheel your blood clot out of here. Where the bomber blood clot? Me not see Kingston blood clot 13. I see me in the name and I'm. Hey, take down your bomber clot off here. Take off your, come off, hey, come down, come blood clot down. I saw all the while on no blood clot though. So me no know blood clot Kingston 13 spell again. Me no know how me no know how Kingston blood clot 13 spell again. Where the blood you come over here?